Irate mob accused RIMS ECZ technician, arrested founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School and another jail school staff. KSA demands death sentence for rape accused RIMS ECZ technician TH Suras. Also condemns RIMS authority for recklessness that led to the incident. Asia's famed DZ Soda joins tree plantation drive on the Green Mission, Manipur Mission at Haingang Reserve Forest area. Apunba Iraipaki Mahayroi Sinpantlo claims most of the cooking gas cylinders circulated in the state are either leaky or expired, increasing chances of fire mishap. And Ukiyo Bookstore Sega Road gears up for Ukiyo Literature Festival 2019 on October 11 and 12 at Trade Expo Center, Lamboy, Kongnangkong. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. People today stormed the courts when rape accused staff of RIMS ECZ TH Suras, one jail staff and founder cum principal of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School PH Londoni were produced for bail hearing today. Family members of the minor rape victim stormed Lamphel police station upon getting tip off that the rape accused Toksom Suras was being produced before the court for bail hearing. In spite of the hesitation, police took away the accused for bail hearing before Special Judge Pokso Court in Falt West at Cherakot Complex. Agitators then stormed at the court complex. Special Judge Pokso in Falt West remanded TH Suras into 5 days of police custody to carry out further investigation. After the hearing, the angry mob once again stormed at RIMS Hospital. They chanted various slogans in front of RIMS emergency, demanding dismissal of irresponsible staff of the hospital. Later, a team of 7 family members met with RIMS authority. On the other hand, volunteers of JEC formed against the mysterious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School agitated at the gate of Session Judge Court in Fort West, opposing bail grant to the jail school founder and the staff. Massive Manipur police team finally managed to control the situation. Kanglei Park Student Association KSA demanded the government to award capital punishment to Toksom Suras from Kesamthong, Moirang Ningthok Leirat, who allegedly raped a 12-year-old girl while taking ECZ at RIMS Hospital in the wee hours yesterday. Speaking to media at KSA office in Kuyatong Pukri, Achoba today, KSA Deputy Secretary Yumnam Kalpana stated that the incident could have been avoided if RIMS hospital authorities provided proper security for women in the hospital. She condemned RIMS authorities, especially the director and medical superintendent, for their recklessness. Kalpana demanded the authorities concerned to assign female technicians at X-ray, ultrasound, MRI and ECZ rooms of the hospital. She warned that KSA will carry out intense agitation along with people if justice is not served to the victim.
Sigis da makadana masi chairak pirak tabe tumina losinagi bataragadi manungda losinagi bataragadi ekhoina makhan makhangi atop atopa yamna kaino kiningai oiba action me amama lokhalakani miyam go su pulaga akhoi go su khusam naraga lokhalakani habese khangbiyo government ki side gi su khangbiyo miyam prajana su khangbiyo adugumba jaga adu da de ekhoina habedi mafam du da nupa khangde nupi khangde multi ne changak toise angang khangde lesabi khangde changak ka toine ba adu mafam du changak basida staff nupi amdi thamhaninge staff ani natrasu nupi ama nupa ama smile leibese si leihaninge.
Forest and Environment Minister Thongnawjim Shyam Kumar urged everyone to be responsible in conserving and protecting the environment. He was speaking on the sidelines of a tree plantation drive organized by the Forest Department at Haingang Reserve Forest area in Mongzim Mamang Lekai of Imphal East today. AGS who arrived in Imphal yesterday also took part in the event held under Green Mission Manipur. Residents of the area along with many renowned Manipuri film stars took part in the event.
ngasi pithibi leiriba tongan ba koi singer amadi artist amadi platform kya sangnai raba sport persons amadi agriculture da power ba miwe kya na mari ma la phaka ngasi u thaba impham ngak pasna koi amata ngai pandam ni khudemak koi impham ngak ta gadi yade haibagi damakta my sisters this is Swada from South Korea koi loina na mayam chana u si plantation to binam sigi theme di world is one we need to save the world with unitedly koi amaga pusna ga pithibi se ngak pasna koi ithau Kami pandam da usi plantation to. Thank you.
Speaking on the occasion, DJ Soda expressed gratitude to the people of Manipur for giving her a warm reception on her first visit in the state. Expressing delight at the state's pleasant weather, she urged people to join efforts in combating climate change and global warming issues. DJ Soda appealed to take initiatives in nurturing the tree saplings planted in the area.
일단 저는 지구 온난화를 위해서 에어컨 사용을 자제하는 편이에요. 그래서 집에 있을 때도 에어컨을 거의 사용하지 않아요. 제가 좀 더 얇은 옷을 입고 부채 같은 것들을 쓰고 그렇게 에어컨을 사용하지 않는 철칙을 가지고 있습니다.
She says she tries not to use the air conditioner to save the world for the global warming, so she better wears some t-shirts rather than using the air conditioner. So she's actually saving the world by reducing the electricity, daily lives.
Thank you.
Apunba Iraipaki Mahiroi Sinpantlut, EMS has claimed that most of the household cooking gas cylinders in the state are either leaky or expired, increasing chances of fire mishap. Speaking to media at EMS office in Kwakaitil today, EMS Vice President S. Premchand said that EMS carried out inspection drive at various gas agencies of the state as it announced on the media in September. He mentioned that EMS volunteers came across many leaky, expired or underweight gas cylinders during the drives. Premchand condemned Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam for ignoring such crises. He stated that Gas in Lamfeld was found supplying leaky, expired and underweight cooking gas cylinders even today. He warned the gas agency owner to clarify the matter at EMS office or else to face cancellation of agency license.
Agency sing na su mukoigi wet o naba machine si laina puthokna thamakanda khoigi customer sing da season anaba khudong chaba pibidaba lairiba wet machine sing adusu ayambana season aba yadraba loina na agency sing da leak oiba amadi expiry oiraba cylinder sing customer sing na singe hairaga su agency sing sina khoigi leak oiraba sigumba phatraba cylinder sing asi sumaina problem lairena IOC da complain tawraga su IOC na maru oina tabidaba amadi thawoina tabidaba na maram oirakanda agency sing asi khoigi agency sing asi ju phajana mathau tawba ngamdaba.
Taking part in the meet, EMS advisor L. Ibote urged the authority concerned to take appropriate measure. He stated that such conduct by gas agencies increases risks of fire mischief in the state. Abote also stressed the need to keep appropriate weighing machines. He claimed that gas agencies, instead of sending back leaky and expired gas cylinders, are supplied to the public instead of sending them at Sangmai bottling plant.
Agency sing na phongtorokpada akhoi gas makhong da yubada control tawba sungam ngamoidaba adum explosive oiba yaba makhong da likhoi ama oiraga lai haiba bokta akhoi da yam aki tujumba pokpa wahai khara taba phangjai haitare masida akhoi gi council minister capn pd paiba akhoi gi honorable minister karam samna masi tumina leithokpa taraga di akhoi gi gumdong da maihong lang pokthokna ba gas cylinder je yenbiri ba haiba yenbiri bra haiba si
Kampokpi District Police SP along with District Deputy Commissioner held one-day awareness campaign on illicit cultivation of poppy plants at Kampokpi District Police Headquarters today. NAB Manipur in a press release stated that the campaign was held under War on Illicit Drugs campaign recently launched by the state government. Women Action for Development (WAD) organized one-day cultivation consultation program on voluntary review of the implementation of POCSO Act 2012 and Juvenile Justice Act 2015 at Classic Hotel in North AOC today. The program aimed to identify the shortcomings of various implementing agencies of POCSO Act 2012 and Juvenile Justice Act 2015 in order to rectify the same. Experts, advocate and police shared their opinions on the acts at the event. Senior advocate R.K. Sumitra stated that some adult miscreants are avoiding harsh punishments under the shadow of Juvenile Justice Act 2015. She stressed the need to identify such ardent perpetrators and take up appropriate trials meant for adults. R.K. Sumitra also stressed the need for trained doctors to conduct ossification procedures, while member of Juvenile Justice Board Chinglemba stated that the POCSO Act 2012 has a loophole of discriminating between men and female culprits, as many at-times male accused culprits are victimized under the Act, hinting towards its unconstitutionality.
Below 18 ne haina na bagi honorapa sigumba mayam bribe to mayam ama thingna yes mayam sulesi matangda aduna ngasai below 18 si oita bagi juvenile court chatladi juvenile court satpa matamdadi na angang si loina nawang giba police officer su field phajana kumdharba experience leba duna friendly koi estimate tawa friendly investigate tawa friendly ayo oiba koi pamje bokse hauji juvenile justice ki matang dani koi panjai jadi samana trial se koi pamain samana trial se ai ahan da tawa trial adumaina juvenile sin da trial se samana tawraga angang ji ja amutang sa heng tu te kai se bui da su taraga mayam si makha ta baga se tawroi da kai adumaina da su khanjai ba tan hen balak pa angang ji se.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that a family is the smallest but an important unit of a democratic society. He was speaking at the 7th Foundation Day celebration of St. Zone Boarding Cum Tutorial Center organized by its management staff and students at Hotel Classic in Imphal today. Stating that family builds a society and societies build a country, R.K. Ranjan stressed the need to have good families to build a peaceful and a developed society. He said that a good family provides proper discipline and education to children, and if education facility becomes unaffordable, elders in the family teach their children at home and raise them into good citizens. Dr. Ranjan stated that such culture has been in existence in the United Kingdom since the olden times. Students of the center showcase various cultural items, and students from the center who recently passed BOSIM HSLC examination were felicitated in the event.
Mama mapana tambiba tare takbiba tare magi samaj duda karam haina behave tawgadage karamba respect tawgadage karam haina kanabu kai khumnagadage marup mapang da kam haina karamba lon chat gadage se masigi sole responsibility se family da pm different school dagi different community gi students sing se phajaba institution amada thamakana adu uniformly moi masen se cordially yamna bevhar amaga loina angang sing se different school dagi different jati community bam se laga punna uniformly lehelakanda yam phajaba pot am puthok se St. John boarding cum tutorial center se matam supagi oraba Manipur jati asigi sanagi khudopni mamai da tampha thinbani haibase thangna ngak mangda ba hodansi.
Kangabok MLA O Suza Kumar encouraged students to acquire knowledge for knowledge's sake and not to get just good marks in examination. Speaking at the Foundation Day celebration of the Evergreen Flower School at Thawal Ningombom in Thawal district today, MLA Suryakumar mentioned that knowledge acquired during students' life becomes useful even later on in life. Women vendors of Jiribount Imam Market carried out a protest demonstration today against robbing from vehicles by suspected insurgents on National Highway number 37 Imphal Jiri Road at Nungba. Taking part in the protest, one women's protester reminded that similar incidents had occurred earlier. She expressed disappointment over the state government's failure to take necessary actions till date. She warned of carrying out intense agitations, including burnt and blockades, if the government failed to look into the matter at the earliest. Following mass protests of citizenship amendment bill in various parts of the state, Imphal District Magistrate has prohibited assembly of 5 or more people, which is likely to turn unlawful, and carrying of sticks, stones, firearms without a valid license, weapons or object of any description which can be used as offensive weapons for a period of 2 months from today under subsection 2 of section 144 of CRPC in Imphal district in view of likelihood of the various serious breach of peace and disturbance to public tranquility. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on upcoming Ukiyo Literature Festival 2019. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Today, Ukiyo Literature Festival 2019, a celebration of writing and narratives, will be held at Manipur Trade and Expo Center in Lamboy Konangkong on October 11th and 12th. Ukiyo Bookstore at Sega Road, Imphal is organizing the event, which aims to promote a literary movement in the society. Many renowned Indian writers like Amrita Mahalt, Bikramjit Singh Krupari, Jerry Pinto and Mitra Fukant will take part in the event. Renowned theatre director Ratan Thia, writer and senior journalist Pradeep Fanjaubam, Tayanzamt Bijoy Kumar and Robin S. Ngangom will also take part in the event. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, head of the festival, Rakesh Konzengbam urged students and various other organizations and associations of the state to extend cooperation in making the event success.
Sigi festival si koi literature puthok chari si koi ju sidagi kana ba piraga kano sing chhatra sing adagi di koi cham citizen mo yesu moida kana bu piraga kuona koi pulok kyune sakhot minna ba pandam ma thamaga tawjabani na yaraga di kano sing ase koi CSOs adagi di koi student bodies mayam se koi kano si event si mai pak pada mating pangbiu haina mayam dang request su thamjaningi koi.
Department of English St. Joseph University in Dimapur, Nagaland held a poetry recital program at the University Auditorium today in view of Manipuri Poetry Day 2019, which falls on October 13. BA and MA English students of the university recited their original poetry at the event held as Curtain Raiser of Manipuri Poetry Day 2019. Lifetime Secretary of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, Sograkpam Hemantra, has announced that students of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council and pupils of led Sanakia Ibotombi Horokchamt will showcase the drama named Tumina Layu Wail Jathari at JN Dance Academy tomorrow evening. Speaking to media at JN Dance Academy today, Sograkpam Hemanta stated that the drama, first directed by led Manipuri theatre artist Horokchamt Ibotombi, will be performed tomorrow on the last day of his 73rd birth anniversary month-long observance. He appealed to people of the state to watch the drama and help in promoting theatrical art form of the state.
Ozada koina sadhanjali oina kachagaduriba lila se Manipur gi mipung khudimon yengminaraga oza sina Manipur gi macha moina pokpiramdana malem gi thakta thabak tawbiram se mana tawbiram mayam du koina ikai khunu utpaga loyana hayek thoram macha masu pangthok jagani thoram macha pangthok jar matungda hairiba lila se utgadori nahona na oza se amu hingalan bahai ga tare kan khalan bahai ga te wakal lolamda oza gi punsi se sondaba leitanaba amukana koina for something Hakolakanda Ozagi Shaktam Je Manipur Utang Uhanji Prithibi Tang Uhanji.
Kumbi MLA Asbira kick off 10-day handicraft exhibition at Saiton Bazar Community Hall today. Moirang Thanga Skill Workers Development Cooperative Society organized the exhibition under the aegis of the Office of Development Commissioner, the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. Speaking at the event, MLA Asbira urged women folk of the state to carve livelihood utilizing the state's resources. He added that the state government is providing loan through bank to self-help groups. 30 handicraft clusters are participating in the handicraft exhibition held under Ambedkar Harshift Vikas Yojana.
Certificate yaudaba masana di hairaba dugumba poching ase mase koi punchillaga bank na adagi koi department na aduga hojike hairiba koi ge mayam sing ase punchillaga adudi mahaki sidi mohoi gi sing asidi koi dongan ba makhak moi gi finance ki se masi karam hana tawgadage haibadu makhak tang naksin ba ya ba makhak tang tawragadi ai moirom da paisa se khara thadharaga koi yam hena phajaba mong da pothok pa yani haibagi ayak maduma panchaningi.
State Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute, Samiti Manipur, is organizing state-level agricultural fair 2019 on the theme Climate Resilient Agriculture at Iboyama Sumaklela Sangland in Palace Compound from October 8 till 11. The institute, in a press release, urged farmers of the state to participate in the agri-fair. Winner of Best Mild Social Media Queen and first runners-up titled of Iowa Mrs. India 2019, Victoria Okram has asserted her intention to carry out mass awareness campaign on cancer disease in the state. Speaking to media at her residence in Manipur today, Victoria Okram, wife of Wangkai MLA Okram Henry, expressed apprehension that Manipur has a high rate of cancer cases, stating that Iowa Mrs. India 2019 was held on the theme Cancer Disease from September 24 to 28 in Mumbai. Victoria assured that she will use her crown for mobilizing mass awareness on the deadly disease.
ꯑꯩꯅꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯖꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯝꯖꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯉꯝꯖꯒꯦꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯎꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯝꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟ ꯐꯪꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯪꯖꯕꯁꯤ with dignity ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯖꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯦꯋꯦꯌꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯅꯤꯅ.
Model United Nations Conference titled MMS PMUL 2019 was held for students of Maria Montessori School Conference at Hotel Classic Grand today. Polaris International Model United Nations PMUL Shillong and Maria Montessori School Imphal jointly organized the event. Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah, former diplomat of India Nemcha Luvung, and officials of PMUL graced the event. Speaking at the event, Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah stated that frequent mountain strike in the state hindered the progress of its talented youth. She asserted that the model conference will be of great benefit for the students. Legal Aid Clinic Kakching along with Kakching Higher Secondary School organized one-day legal awareness program under the aegis of District Legal Services Authority Thobal at the auditorium of Library and Information Center Kakching today. Paneled lawyer of Legal Aid Clinic Kakching, senior advocate Nomaitem Modu and many resource persons spoke on drug abuse and illicit trafficking, prohibition of child marriage and POCSO Act. Secretary of District Legal Services Authority Thobal, Asem Tarun Kumari, attended the event. To the Customer Outreach Initiative program to kick off at Thobal DC Complex today. State Bank of India, SBI Thobal branch organized the event. Loans were distributed to selected customers for the first phase at the event. Senior Regional Manager of Central Bank of India, Guwahati, Santosh Agrawal, DDM of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, Premjoy, Divisional Manager of Canara Bank, City Circle Office, Babul Kierari, and many eminent persons took part in the event. Armed Forces Ex-Servicemen Association Manipur, a registered body and under Manipur Societies Registration Act 1989, Government of India, Government of Manipur in a press release stated that it has resolved to conjoin with National Confederation of Ex-Servicemen Organization during its last general body meeting. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Irate mob opposes belt grant to rape accused RIMS ECZ technician, arrested founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School and another jail school staff. KSA demands death sentence for rape accused RIMS ECZ technician T.H. Suras, also condemns RIMS authority for recklessness that led to the incident. AGS famed DJ Soda joins tree plantation drive on the Green Manipur mission at Haingang Preserve Forest area. Apunba Iraipak Mahayroisan Pantlu claims most of the cooking gas cylinders circulated in the state are either leaky or expired, increasing chances of fire mishap. And Ukio Bookstore Sega Road gears up for Ukio Literature Festival 2019 on October 11 and 12 at Trade Expo Center, Lamboy Kunakong.